Feed the fish, baby?
Yeah.
Check it out.
I want to see.
Got a bucket full, huh, baby?
Yeah. Wow.
That's a lot.
I'm hungry.
Yep, went through the net. Now we gotta feed these bad boys. Oh, yeah.
I'm going to feed it.
You wanna feed one?
Yeah.
Well, here. Go ahead. Oh, yeah.
I'm going to feed more.
You wanna feed more?
I'm going to feed it.
Ooh,
I'm sorry.
that's okay, baby. Here, feed him. Get him. Put him in there. Yeah. Yeah, very cool.
I'm going to feed more.
That's okay. No, we're okay.
I'm going to feed it.
That's enough. That's enough for those guys.
I want to feed the other cake.
You want to feed these other ones? Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh.
I'm going to feed it.
Here. Put it in there.
Me too.
It's coming to get it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to feed
You
another
gonna
one.
do it again? Feed it again, baby. Drop it in. Oh, yeah. Bam.
I'm going to feed
Butterfly peacocks, man. They don't even play.
I'm going to feed
Yeah. Now we're good, baby. That's enough. That's enough, honey. Yes, thank you. My number one helper. Dude, check this out. I went through the net and got some bait for these beasts right here. I'm about to feed the bass to the bass. Alright. Yeah, man. Look, they're waiting. That's the big male. Hey. Lord, look at this. Let's see what happens. Ooh. That female didn't even play. Yeah, man. The beast. Check out all the brim. This is how I have to keep the bait fish. Yes, baby. In order to keep these guys happy and fed. Hey. Yeah.
I want to film me.
Hold on, baby. Look. We're filming the fish. Yay. They're greedy, man. Got to throw the cast net to keep them fed. That's what's up.